grief beneath my skin, and the ache of old versions I cannot become again. She does not come to punish, she does not come to break. She comes to loosen what is dying so the spirit can awake. And the waning moon knows what I cannot tarry anymore. She calls my name through the darkness like a voice beyond the shore. Lay it down, she whispers softly, rescue weary guarded heart. For the moon must lose her light sometimes before she can restart. There are ghosts inside my memory, there are tears beneath the stone. There are parts of me still trembling from surviving all alone. The waning moon sees every fracture, every mask I learned to wear. Still she wraps the night around me like a mother's ancient prayer. The trees release their dying leaves, the ocean surrender the tides. Nothing in nature keeps